Hey guys, how are you? My name's Ryan. Today I'm going to take 1500 grit sandpaper and see if I can knock down all these little nibs and bits after my sealer process. So far, I did 2 coats of primer and 4 coats of sealer using a wonderful product. It's called Omega. Been using them for well over a year now. So the sealer it's been over 48 hours since I've sealed it. And I like to wait that first, the 48 hours at least, because the part changes a lot, I feel. I just want to make sure it's did everything it needs to do. So now I'm going to hit it with this 1500 grit sandpaper. It's by Shark Skin. Great product. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. And I do this wet. Really doesn't take any pressure. I find 15 grit to work the best. A lot of people like to, take like a gray pad afterwards. I feel like you don't need to do that. We're going to be here a while if you watch me do the whole project. So why don't I just stop here and I'll pick up where I left off when I'm done.